Okay, it's time to transfer hair samples from plastic into paper. So I've made up these little envelopes, A5 size piece of paper, fold it in half, put the edges in, fold it in half, labelled on the front with the code, and also we've got the code on the inside here so that when you're accessing the sample you don't have to flip the page over. Storing hair in paper like this, you can see the paper's moving, and with the folds it can sort of I don't know, like snap open, snap closed, and that can send hair flying, so you do have to take care. Anyway, brush-tailed rock wallaby, here we go. Got a needle, got tweezers, got no other hair on the surface here, and we're going to open up this little envelope. I'm going to start by trying to tap this out. I'll take the tools off the paper for exactly the reason I just said. None of it wants to come out, so I'll have to use the tweezers. I won't actually grab the hair, because what I learned last time is it does actually compress the hair, no matter how lightly you think you can do it. But I'll stop talking now. We got the first there, that's a whisker. Because even just talking and breathing over the sample can blow particularly the smaller hairs away. I think the smaller hairs won't be whiskers, but I'll keep the sample complete and pop it in here. So it looks like this plastic is kind of staticky, because even as it came out it just flipped around and stuck to the outside of the bag. I'll continue with, there's one more whisker there. Transfer to the needle to get under the hair, I mean between the hair and the plastic, and lift it off rather than actually grabbing at the hair. Hopefully gravity will help me out here, but the bag has a lip on it, and of course the hair's getting stuck there. There we go. Number 4. Just check there's none on the instruments. The rest is really tiny stuff. Anyway, I'll get to that and I'll pause the video there, but we got 4 whiskers at least for brush-tailed rock wallaby. Fantastic.